Hey Ryker fans, it's Ryker Ferg. So I'm back inside the trailer to fix that head wall. And you can see where I used liquid nail and how it did pretty good. I just gotta finish up here and then coming up here. And then what I'm gonna do is sand everything down and tape it. That over here I'm gonna use some great stuff that'll seal that right on up. So right now, without further ado, this is what I did. Now, let that dry. Give about 24 hours, and I'm gonna sand it, and I'll paint it to match. So all this is gonna dry, and it's gonna hold in place.
24 hours later.
So Price, look at it. Looks good, don't it? Can't even tell. Even if you get up on it. See? What do you think, buddy? Let me know. Till next time, Ryker fans, Ryker.